Hello guys, Revit was here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to create these drawing numbers and project numbers correlating with the specific title on your sheet so that you don't have to repeat this every time you want to export a PDF. So this is going to be set up by the use of parameters. So keep watching guys. Okay guys, let's get into it. So you want to go to your sheets and open up one of your sheets. We already have this sheet open. Then we're going to go to File, Export, and PDF. And then for this example, we're just going to use the current window, which is the window that you have open. Then this file name, we don't want to type in the name every time you generate this PDF, because most probably your name is going to be your drawing number with whatever this name on your drawing says. So that's how we want to set this up. So how we do that is we're going to untick this combine selected views so that you can actually edit this and do it by parameters. So we're just going to remove those two, the preset. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look for the project number. So if you can't find it, we just go to sheet, look for it here. Project information, project number, there we are. Then we're going to go to sheet number. That would be under sheets. Here we go. And then we want the view name. So that would be under views. There we are, view name. So now we have the project number, then your sheet number, and then your view name. So that's how this specific parameter is going to be set up so that it displays this certain instance. So let's say okay. Then we want to go and save it. Go to browse and then you can choose where you want to save it. Save it under PDFs. Okay, that's set up. The rest of this you can leave as is. This area here. Then at the options area you can leave this unticked. Then you want to hide the reference / work planes. Those are those green lines that you use as your reference planes. You don't want to see that once you print your drawings. Then hide unreferenced view tags. That you also want to tick. That means if you've drawn several sections on your layout and not all of those sections are currently placed on a drawing, it won't show up in your printed PDF. I will show you what that means once I've PDF'd it. Then you can leave this unticked and the rest you can leave as is. Okay, so what we can now do is then just say export. Then it says here, do you want to save these settings? And I'm going to say yes. So what I'm going to call this is PDF. I call it no revision. That just means this is a drawing that has not been revised yet. Okay, so we're going to set up a revision one as well. And I'm going to show you the difference. Then we're going to say okay. And it's busy exporting. Let's go and see. We go to our PDFs. Then what you'll see here is it gives us the drawing or the project number N1000, and then S001 is our drawing number or sheet number, and then whatever is on your drawing, the text, your title, it says foundation and column layout. So let's open this. So what that means is it takes this specific drawing number and project number and combines it with the foundation and column layout text. You can see it here at the top. Okay, so then what I said earlier, what I mean about the section indicators that is not referenced. So what that means is here I have a section indicator A02 and it's on S001, which is this drawing. Here you can see this section. Now if I go back to my Revit, what you can see here is here's also a section, but it's not referenced because it's not on a sheet. So we don't want that section indicator to be shown on our drawings. So that's why I ticked that box. Okay, so now this is a drawing where it does not have a revision. Then the roof layout, the specific one, does have a revision. So what we're going to do here, so you're going to follow the same procedure. I'm going to go File, Export, PDF. And then what we're going to do here is we've already set up this one. Now we're just going to click here and say Save As and call this PDF Revision so that you can just distinguish between the two. Then I'm just going to go here and edit this one. I'm going to go to Sheets. And here where it says Current Revision, I'm going to bring it into the drawing. And I'm just going to put a prefix here so that we know that this is the current revision. But we want this to be here because we want the revision to be after the sheet number. And then you want your view name. So let's just remove that separator. We can actually remove it on the previous created one as well. I'll show you what I mean by that separator now. Then we're going to say OK. We know it's on the PDF revision now. That's what we want. And all of these boxes and settings are the same as per the previous one. We're going to say export, and it exports it to the PDF file. Here you can go and see, double click on this. When you open it, you can see it's the revision A. And then if you read here at the top, it says N1000 S002 revision A. And then it's the roof layout. So what I meant earlier by the separator was that if you look here at the top, there's like a little dash at the end. You can just remove that if it bothers you. But you can also rename this text inside of your file explorer like this. Okay, obviously you need to first close it before you can rename it. But in a nutshell, that is how you do PDFs or create PDFs for your specific layouts. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for all your support. See you next time.